Here's the conversation where Ann, fourth engineer, and Nam, motorman, discuss electrical power, kilowatts, using maritime terms. Nam, do you know the electrical power output of one auxiliary engine alternator? Yes, it's about 750 kilowatts, enough to power most of the ship's systems during normal operations. Correct. What about the emergency generator? How much power does it produce? It generates 250 kilowatt, sufficient for critical systems during a blackout. That's right. Do you know the power consumption of the ballast pump during deballasting? The pump uses around 100 kilowatts, depending on the flow rate. Good observation. How much power is consumed by the air compressor when it's running? It typically consumes 50 kilowatts, but more during startup. Exactly. What's the electrical power requirement for the engine room vent fans? Each fan uses around 20 kilowatts, depending on the speed setting. And perfect. How much power is needed for the hydraulic pump in the steering gear system? It's about 150 kilowatts, especially during heavy steering operations. Great. What's the electrical power consumption of the freshwater generator? It requires around 25 kilowatts, mainly for the vacuum pump and heating system. And excellent. Finally, how much power does the lighting system in the accommodation block consume? Name, it's about 10 kilowatts, depending on how many lights are in use. Well done, Nam. Understanding power consumption helps us manage the load distribution efficiently. Thanks, Anne. It's amazing how different systems have varying power needs. This conversation ties electrical power up to various shipboard systems, making the discussion practical and engaging.